Understanding energy deficit, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, energy deficit. This term is not just a linguistic expression but also a concept used in various fields. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used in different contexts. Stay tuned to learn more. Energy deficit refers to a situation where energy expenditure exceeds energy intake. This can happen in various scenarios, such as dieting, physical exertion, or even in economics and environmental studies. It's a compound noun, combining energy, the capacity to do work or produce change, with deficit, a shortage or shortfall. In health and diet, an energy deficit is crucial for weight loss. It occurs when you burn more calories than you consume. This concept is fundamental in nutrition and fitness, emphasizing the balance between diet and exercise. We often hear it in the context of weight management and healthy living. Beyond health, energy deficit is significant in economics and environmental studies. It describes a situation where energy demand outstrips supply, leading to shortages or the need for sustainable energy solutions. This usage underscores the importance of renewable energy and efficient resource management. Interestingly, the phrase, energy deficit, can be modified to fit different contexts. For example, caloric deficit is more specific to diet, while resource deficit might be used in economics or environmental discussions. These variations show the flexibility of English phrases in adapting to various disciplines. Understanding the phrase, energy deficit, opens up a world of knowledge across different fields. Whether in health, economics, or environmental studies, it's a key term that reflects the balance, or imbalance, between consumption and expenditure. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you grasp not just the phrase but its broader implications. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.